Hey, it's Gina from WTI. If you're looking for a super cute and stylish pair of Chelsea lug boots, you got to check out this pair from IXU. I just love being able to wear these every day with jeans or a skirt. They look super cute dressed up or dressed down. I got the color beige. The material on these boots is suede-like, although it is not leather, and the elastic bands around the sides really make it nice because it can accommodate different ankle sizes. I generally wear a size 7.5 women's. I went ahead and got a size 8 per the manufacturer's recommendation that these run a little small. Because I got a size 8, I found that it accommodated me wearing tights and then a pair of socks on top of that. I've noticed that they fit really well and they slide on super easily. I love that I don't have to deal with laces or buttons, they just pull right on. I was even able to wear these in the snow and rain, and even though they're not waterproof, my feet did not get wet. I just love wearing these boots. I think they're adorable, the color's perfect, and they're comfortable. And that's my point of view.